Welcome back to Langmitra. I'm Jenny, and today we're going to complete your Korean vowel toolkit. Ezra, are you ready to unlock some seriously useful sounds?
Absolutely. Last time we tackled those tense double consonants, and I've been practicing bang and oppa all week, but I keep seeing vowels that look complicated, like they're made of multiple parts.
Exactly what we're covering today. These are called compound vowels, or 이중모음 in Korean. Think of them as vowel combinations, two basic vowels working together to create one new sound. There are 11 of them, and they're everywhere in everyday Korean.
11? That sounds like a lot to remember.
Don't worry, we'll break them into logical groups. Let's start with the most important distinction you'll ever learn in Korean vowels, the difference between e and e. Can you see them written?
Yeah, one looks like ah with an extra line, and the other looks like ah with an extra line.
Perfect observation. E combines ah plus e, and e combines ah plus e. Now here's the thing. Historically, these were different sounds. E was more open, like the a in bad, and e was closer to the e in bed. But here's a secret.
What's the secret?
Modern Korean speakers, especially younger generations, pronounce them almost identically. Both sound close to the e in bed. So if you're stressing about the difference, relax. Context will always help you.
Oh, that's such a relief. So how do I know which one to use when writing?
You'll memorize them with vocabulary. Let's practice. The word for yes is ne, spelled with e. Try it.
Ne.
Great. Now the word for crab is ge, also with e. But dog is ge, spelled with e. Remember from last lesson?
Right, ke for dog. And we learned ke for sesame with the tense consonant. So ke and ge sound almost the same?
To most Korean ears today, yes. Context is king. Now let's add the Y versions. Ye is ya plus e, making a ya sound. And ye is ye plus e, making a ye sound.
So I just add a yes sound at the beginning?
Exactly. The word yegi means story or talk. Hear that ye? And ye means yes in formal situations or example. Try saying ye.
Ye.
Beautiful. Now here's a super common word. We, meaning why. This uses we, which brings us to our next group, the w combination vowels.
W combinations. How does that work?
These vowels start with a lip-rounded glide, like saying w in English. They're built on either o or u as a base. Watch your lips. When you see o or u as part of a compound vowel, start with rounded lips.
Okay, so which ones use o?
3 of them. First, wa combines o plus a, making a wa sound, like in sagwa, meaning apple. Your lips start rounded for o, then open for a. Try it.
Sagwa, sagwa, apple.
Perfect lip movement. Next, we combines o plus e, making we. That's our Y word, we. And oe is o plus e. This one's tricky. It can sound like we or even just e, depending on the speaker.
So OE is unpredictable?
A bit. The word weguk means foreign country. Some say wiguk, others say eguk. Both are understood. Don't overthink it.
Got it. What about the U-based combinations?
3 more. Wa is u plus a, making wa, like moi, meaning what. Your lips start very rounded, then relax. Try it.
Moi? What?
Ha, exactly. You just asked what in Korean. Next, we is u plus e, making we. And u is u plus e, also sounding like we. The word we means top or above.
We. That's like we in English.
Very close. Now for the trickiest vowel of all, ui. This combines u plus e.
Oh no, that sounds hard. How do I even start?
Here's the thing. Ui changes pronunciation based on position. At the start of a word, it's ui. Try to glide from u to e quickly. The word Lisa means doctor. Listen, Lisa.
Uisa. That's tricky.
But when ui appears after a consonant, most Koreans just say e. And when it's the possessive particle ui, meaning of, people often say e. So nai, meaning my, sounds like nae.
Wait, so one vowel has 3 different pronunciations?
Welcome to Korean. But don't stress, you'll pick it up naturally. Let's do some fluency practice. I'll give you words, you read them smoothly without pausing between sounds. Ready?
Let's do it.
Quail, fruit.
Quail.
Smooth. 회사, company.
회사,
Qui, ear.
귀,
Tweji, pig.
돼지. Wait, that has where in the middle?
It does. Twe is d plus we plus nothing underneath. You nailed it. Last one. Lija, chair.
의자.
Excellent work, Ezra. You just read 5 two-syllable words with complex vowels at a natural pace. That's exactly the goal.
I can't believe how much easier it gets once you understand the combinations. It's like a code.
That's exactly what Hangul is, a beautiful, logical code. And now you've cracked the vowel part. Remember, the Langmitra community is here to support you. Practice these with a friend or family member. Teaching someone else is the fastest way to master pronunciation.
I'm definitely going to practice where and wa. Those seem super useful for asking questions.
They absolutely are. In our next lesson, we'll tackle something that changes everything about Korean pronunciation, bachim, or final consonants. You'll learn why the same consonant can sound completely different at the end of a syllable. Until then, keep practicing those compound vowels.
Can't wait. Thanks, Jenny.
Thank you for learning with Langmitra. Every vowel you master opens new doors to Korean fluency. See you next time.
Before we recap, one quick ask. What worked for you in this lesson? What felt hard? And what topic should we teach next? Drop it in the comments. Your feedback shapes what we build next.
One language sets you in a corridor for life. Learn language with podcast. Subscribe.